So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the knit and purl stitches in order to make patterns in your work. So this example I have here is of the box stitch. So you can see here you've got the little kind of boxes which alternate in the design, and that's worked from doing knit twos and purl twos along a row. So let me show you how to do this. So we're going to start off with our first row and simply knit 2 stitches. So knit 1 and then knit 2. And now we're going to bring the yarn back to the front of the work and we're going to purl 2. So going through the front of the stitch and purling the stitch. Now taking the yarn to the back of the work and knitting the next 2 stitches. And you'll repeat this to the end of the row. So we've just done knit 2, so yarn back to the front of the work, purl 2, yarn back to the back of the work, knit 2, purl 2, and then knit 2. And that is our first row complete. So now we turn the work, so we're on the wrong side of the work. As you can see, the nice thing with the box stitch pattern is it is reversible as well, so both sides look just as good. Let's do our second row. So for the second row, very similar to the first, but instead of knitting 2, we're purling 2 at the beginning. So yarn at the front of the work, going from the back to the front of the stitch and purling 2 stitches. Then yarn to the back of the work, knit the next 2 stitches. And repeat this to the end of the row. So yarn back to the front, purl 2, to the back and knit 2. Purl 2 and then knit 2. And then finally for our final 2 stitches, we purl those 2 as well. And those 2 rows, if I turn the work, have created our first line of squares. So you can see we've got our stocking stitch ones here and then our reverse stocking stitch ones going along. So now I need to create the alternate version. So before we knit these first 2 stitches, now I'm going to purl them. So purl 2, then same again as we go along the row, knit 2, purl 2, and repeat to the end. And purling the last 2 stitches. So for our fourth and final row now, we're going back to the wrong side of the work and we're doing our final row that will make our next section of squares. So my first 2 stitches I'm going to knit, then purl 2, and repeat again to the end of the row. Now you can get a lot of different variations in knit and purl stitch patterns that create loads of different fun techniques and designs that are also super simple. Okay, I've knit my last 2 stitches, so I'm turning back to the front of the work, and you can see here we've created another 2 sections of our squares. And that is one variation of how you can use knit and purl stitches in the same row to create a design. And this is the box stitch.